right, so we're in Adobe Illustrator and we're going to type inside of a circle or a shape, and we're going to use the area type tool. So first we'll use a circle for this example. Drew out a perfect circle there using the ellipse, held shift to make it perfect, and we're going to go here, area type tool. This is the one. And then you click on the path. Don't click inside it. I don't think it'll even let you see. So you want to click on the path, which is the outline. And boom, there we go. Now you can type in there. And this is pretty much now it's just a regular font. You don't have to. There's nothing really special. You'll see here. All right. Learn how to type in a circle just like this. And now you've got, it's pretty much, you can control it. Change the size, change the font. You know, that's copy paste. So it's copy. I'm gonna hit space and then paste it. So it all works the same. And then since it's now in an area type tool, you can see here on your control bar. If you don't have that, you go to Window, Control, and you'll see area type, and then you can align it, center. See that? Bottom. Yeah. So those are little options, like bullet points or something. But that's about it. Then you can grab this guy, turn it, whatever you need to do. But it just works like a normal font now. Hope that helps.